Hi everyone, my name is Businge Joshua, CEO and co-founder of AKABOXI. Good evening. So I want to tell you a story about Joanne. This is Joanne. Joanne, at the age of 15 years, her father told her, I cannot pay your school fees and you should get married. At the age of 19 years, she had her first child. At the age of 22 years, Joanne had her second child. At the age of 25 years, she had her third child. She then realized that she's not going to manage to pay their school fees as well. Her husband was getting a second wife. So this is the main case that happens in Africa with many women. So Joanne joined a saving group. This is a saving group that Joanne is part of. They meet on a weekly basis to collect money together, and they borrow from each other, mainly to pay school fees and meet their family needs. So, why AKABOXI? AKABOXI came to make this process digital. We're providing a digital solution to manage and monitor their savings. So the problem with the current method of collecting is that they are saving in boxes. This is the actual saving box. They are not secure. They keep the money in the box, and the team leader or the chairman puts the money under the bed or on top of the roof. So we realized that this process is not going to help them in the long run. They're saving small savings. The average amount they save is between 1 to 2 euros on a weekly basis. These small savings cannot be taken to the bank or to a microfinance because it doesn't make sense. So that is a problem. The stringent conditions that are involved in order to acquire a loan from a microfinance or a bank does not support these women and the youth because they don't have collateral or any security to get access to credit or a loan. And lastly, lack of proper records. They don't have any digital records or any proper writings because they write their records and the information in books, which doesn't help them. So what we're providing is something to improve the last mile solution that we're providing to these communities. These communities are saving in small boxes, and this is how they're doing. And we're saying we're not changing your traditional way of doing savings and borrowing from each other. We're not doing that. We're just replacing the saving box with a digital device, a small terminal to enable this process to be more digitalized and making saving even better. On top of this, why use our technology? We do credit scoring of these individuals so that they have access to credit from the bank and microfinance. It is easy to use. We manage and track their savings, and we're able to, it's reliable and secure, and we link them to the microfinance and banks. How it works, we have saving groups, we have the AKABOXI technology, we connect them to the microfinance in the bank, which just sends a message notification to them. They can still borrow as always, but we have just digitalized the process so that now their records are kept and on the system, and they can be able to have proper record keeping. So there are over 20,000 saving groups in Uganda and over 1 million saving groups in Africa. In 2017, we had 2 saving groups. In 2018, we have 5 saving groups saving about 10,000 annually, making an average interest of $500 US. In 2020, we plan to have 100 saving groups with 200,000 savings, making over 10,000 in interest. How we make money? We make money from the interest on credit. We make money from banks and microfinances, insurance premiums that we earn from insurance companies by sharing the premiums on health and education insurance, and we also collect data of these different members in the saving group. This is my team. Sarah she has over 13 years of working in a microfinance bank, the biggest microfinance bank in Uganda, called Centenary Bank. I have my developer that I work with 7 years experience, me, our business analyst, and our partner in South Africa to help us with investment and funding, raising of funding and investments. So I would like to say thank you for today. My name is Businge Joshua, again, the CEO and co-founder of AKABOXI. You can send us an email on team@akaboxi.com, and that's our email. Our website is www.akaboxi.com, and Twitter, AKABOXI Tech. Thank you.